Hi everybody, it's Danny here from Angel Handmade Papercraft. Today I am sharing with you a digital image from Whimsy Stamps. This is Ellie's close-up, which is part of the Summer Squares set. Super cute digital set, lots of different elephants in it. I have used some of them already and they are absolutely gorgeous. So I've printed this image out onto some expressive blending card and I'm colouring it up using Copic markers. I did actually colour this one up quite a while ago, but I didn't have a chance to edit the video, so let's get moving. I did colour up the image quite a while ago, but I think I only more recently made a card out of it, so you'll see some nail changes in between with lockdown and everything. But anyway, working my way through, I'm colouring the elephant using some of the T markers, so the toner markers of Copics, and just working out all of the dark areas. I've already laid down my lightest colour, which is the way that I always do it. In saying that, I have actually been changing it up a little bit lately. No reason for that, it just is what it is. So yeah, working our way through. It's a pretty simple image, just a little bit of colour that gets done with the toner greys, but it's a super adorable little image. So can't wait for you guys to see the card all done. I did have a quick snippet of it at the start of the video, but I will have lots of close-ups at the end. So it is now November. I don't even know how long ago I did the colouring of this. We've been in lockdown for what, 5 months or something ridiculous, so it probably was about that, because I haven't had my nails done obviously with the lockdown. The kids have only just gone back to school, so I think we are just about to complete week 2 of being back at school, which is pretty exciting. You know, the kids needed that, I needed that. Yeah, so here we are now, bringing in a little bit of colour on the flower. Super adorable, and a couple of photos, and then we'll get started on putting the card together. I will be using some digital papers from Whimsy Stamps. I'm using oh, I didn't even write them down. I will have to find that. I do use digital papers, so I'll have a look for those and make sure they are all linked up in the linked list at the bottom of the video, so that you guys can check all of that out. So here we have the image all cut out. I did fussy cut it out, so I just went through all of my dies to find a square die that was just slightly bigger than the image, and then I fussy cut the ear out so I could pull it underneath, sorry, pull it over the top of the die. That way it didn't get cut off. So I've got quite a few different printed papers, all from Whimsy. I keep them all together, and I've just gone through that to find a few different blues that will match the card. I've also got a sentiment here from Whimsy Stamps, so I'll have that linked up the best that I can as well. And I'm going to be going in and adding some some glitter and some extra dies and things from a few different brands. So I have this little bucket that I keep to the side of my desk or in my drawer if I've just cleaned up, that has all of my extra stars, my clouds, anything that I've cut out extra that I know that I can use on another card. This little balloon is from an EK Success Punch. I don't even have that linked up. I don't even have it written down. What did I do this day? Oh, here we go. EK Success balloon die, and I'll also be using these star confetti. So I used my grey Copic marker just to add in some detail to that balloon, so it looks like it is a little bit more 3D, and I am adding some foam tape as well. So I've got some twine here, which I believe is from Whimsy Farm Twine. I've had this, God, for, I don't know, maybe 15 years or something ridiculous. I don't use a lot of twine on my cards anymore, so these things do last quite a while. I've got some quick dry adhesive here from Helma. The reason why I used the quick dry was I didn't want any adhesive anywhere else on my card while I was working out where I was putting that, and the rest of the layers I've used the Helma, just the standard acid free. So layering down, I've got a doily and just trying to work everything out. So having a little bit of a play with the balloon. Now I've adhered it to the underside of the ear, and now I'm going to go in and add some foam underneath the balloon once I've got all that into the position that I want it in. I did have to fussy cut that ear just a little bit more because I wanted to slide that balloon under a little bit more. I did have to tear it to pull it out from under the ear, but because I pushed it under further, you wouldn't notice. So now finally the last of the adherents. I've just did a little bit of curls with the twine and adhering all of that down, using that quick dry again. And here I am putting the sentiment in and going in with some of those foam. So I didn't put any foam under the balloon, I apologize. I put it underneath the sentiment. So going in now with some Derivan Kindyglitz. This is my favourite for glitter glues. I will have it linked up below. This is an Australian company, also based in Sydney, which is where I am from, which is pretty exciting. I've just newly been given a few of their links for the product. I was unable to find them previously. So this will now take you directly to their website. So I am, I think, just about done. Just a few added little details in, and that will be the card all complete. So don't forget to go and head over to the Whimsy shop. Lots of goodies in there, lots of different stamps in there, digital files and their rubber stamps. I would appreciate if you use my affiliate links so that I can get a little bit of kickback to purchase some new stamps and things to show you guys. So don't forget to do that, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.